One thing I've been preaching lately is cop shoes that you're actually going to wear, especially in colorways that you're actually going to wear. So I've been trying to do this, not cop these random shoes where it's like you can only wear it with a certain outfit, otherwise you look crazy. Then this pair came out and, oh well. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Nike Dunk SB Low Pro, Grateful Dead. So yes, another Nike SB Dunk release. There have been so many this year. How many people are following like 30 skate shops that you've never heard of before? Yeah, I'm one of them. But I actually took an L on every single one of them. So yeah. This is the shoe that I didn't think I was going to get. I entered everywhere like you do, as normal. But I took an L everywhere. But again, Sneakers Day, like I mentioned before, came through. Like, I got early access, or exclusive access, to this pair on Sneakers Day. And I was very surprised. Just hitting refresh on my phone, it came up and I was like, no way, bang bang, my size, shoe arrived, happy days. So yeah, let's get to the shoe, show you the wild and fluffy shoe that is the Grateful Dead. So this shoe comes in this funky coloured Nike SB box, which is what they've been coming in lately. They've gotten away from that teal and pink box. There was a reason and I've totally forgotten it, but this does actually go well with the shoes because of the crazy green, blue, red and yellow. I do have the yellow pair of this, which they're calling Opti Yellow and Blue Fury. But there was also a green pair and I believe an orange pair. I think one of them was super duper exclusive that you could only get in a certain skate shop or whatever. But yellow pair is the one that I got and probably the one that I wanted the most out of the bunch, to be fair. I got these in the UK 10.5. When it comes to Nike SB Dunks, my sizing range is between 10 and 10.5. It really depends on the shoe. Like some shoes, 10's fine. Some shoes, I need a half size up. So in this one I went a half size up just to be safe, but in general I would say stick to your Nike true sizing and you should probably be okay. But yeah, so open up the box, show you the shoe. And boom, here is the shoe in all of its, yeah, what the hell bro. This shoe is madness. What? Anywho, let's get some close-ups of this shoe. So first off, this is, behind all the craziness, a standard Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, shape-wise, but it's super furry, super bright, and super crazy. One of the things that is kind of good is the fact that they've used different materials. This suede, which is on the side of the shoe here, is super understated compared to the furriness. If the whole shoe was in this yellow, this super bright yellow, I think it would be like borderline super hard to wear. It's already hard to wear, but if the super yellow sides, if it was all yellow on this suede, it would be crazy. The suede in the shoe is actually, it's pretty nice. It's a stiffer, ruffled kind of suede, which you find on some shoes. This toe box feels delightful. Like the fur is crazy. If you didn't know, this shoe is a Grateful Dead collab, which is a band. And they've got the bears. So the Grateful Dead bear is all over the shoe. Slap bang there on the tongue. It's on the insole, which I don't really want to pull out, but I might have to. Let's see if it comes out easily or not. If it doesn't, it is staying in there. Let's check. Okay. I think it's coming out. It's not too stuck down. Okay, maybe not coming out.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, I'm giving up on that. It's too much effort. But basically, inside the shoe, it has all the bears going along it. Hopefully I can find a picture or something to show you. One detail that I literally hadn't noticed until now is on the tongue. It's got a zip. What the hell is behind this zip? Okay. I guess that's a pocket of some sort on the tongue there. A very random feature that I literally haven't seen anywhere, which is bizarre. Behind the tongue, it says Grateful Dead Productions 2020. So I kind of felt sorry for the Grateful Dead fans when it came to this, because They must have been thinking, what the hell is going on? Why are all these kids talking about Grateful Dead and what is these Grateful Dead shoes and blah blah blah, and probably never got a pair, all the hardcore fans, because people are going mental for these. So yikes to you, but that's the sneaker game. Back of the shoe has Nike written there in that Blue Fury colorway. The swoosh on it, very cool. The little bottom pieces, the jagged bits stick out, the rest of it is stitched down. Obviously you've got more yellow fur there on the side of the shoe. And the bottom of the shoe, again, Opti yellow, Blue Fury, nice touches. And on the laces, which are probably not going to focus on the camera because the camera wants to see my face, it has these pink tips and the blue tips. These are crazy, but also kind of cool. Whether I can wear these is a different question. There's drip and there's next level drip, and I don't know if I have that to pull these off. I might have to go on IG and see how people are dripping these, because right now, top of my head, I wouldn't have a clue what to do with these. But it's nice to have in a collection, you know? One of those special pieces. But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think of this shoe. How would you rock it? What would you rock this with? Did you get a pair? Etc, etc. Follow me on Instagram, @sneakers, for dope sneaker pictures that I post pretty much every day. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I'm out. Later, y'all.